In your arm.
Yeah, I don't like to feel my pulse anywhere. If I didn't have a pulse, I would be happy.
I think there's a medical term for that condition.
Yeah, deceased.
Yes.
Well, let's see here. We're getting a reading. It's coming in now. Getting a reading from the machine. It looks like your right arm blood pressure reading is as follows. Dun, 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 dun. 130/60. It's interesting. So, how do you feel?
I feel fine.
You feel fine?
A little bit confused.
Are you as fit as a fiddle?
I believe I am.
You know, when I think about that number, I think my blood pressure is on the high side. My blood pressure is on the high side. How would I say that in Korean language?
혈압이 혈압
Shut up.
혈압
혈압.
혈압이
혈압이
높은
높은.
편이에요.
혈압이 높은 편이에요.
Yes.
Oh.
So what's it like having high blood pressure?
My blood pressure is on the high side. 혈압이 높은 편이에요. I don't know, actually, to be honest, having a little bit high blood pressure, or when your blood pressure is a little on the high side, I can feel my pulse in my hands sometimes. Sometimes I do feel my pulse in my head. I feel a little dizzy. Yeah, not so good. Yeah. I wonder if there's a cure for this.
I believe there's several different types of medications and vitamins and whatnot.
Yeah.
Are you on any blood pressure medication?
Am I on any blood pressure medication? No, I'm not on any blood pressure medication. However, I try to live stress-free. I try to reduce my stress. I do try to eat vegetables and fruit. I don't know if that helps blood pressure, but I want to believe it does. So
I believe healthy eating helps with probably most of any health-related issues there could be.
Yeah, so eating healthful food, yeah, makes sense. Well, we've done a little blood pressure testing today, and I can see that my blood pressure is on the high side. Dr. Valentine, you're as fit as a fiddle, and if you have a chance, I recommend you get an annual checkup.
That's very good advice.
Well, thank you, Dr. Valentine.
Thank you.
See you on my next visit to the hospital. Thank you, everybody, for listening and watching Father and Son. Take care. Be healthy. Bye-bye. Welcome, everybody, to review time. Are you ready? Let's go. The first sentence, do you remember? Have you had your annual checkup? Have you had your annual checkup? Very good. Sentence number 2. I'm as fit as a fiddle. I'm as fit as a fiddle. Okay. Sentence number 3. Oh, be careful. My blood pressure is on the high side. My blood pressure is on the high side. Great job, everybody. Take care of your health. See you next time.